Hi, I'm Jeanette White for ExpertVillage and for Piper's Quilts and Comforts, located in Salt Lake City, Utah, in Sugar House. Today we're working on thangles, and we've already prepared them by putting right sides together and layering the dark strip on the bottom, the light strip on the top, and having some extra all the way around. Now, on thangles, a solid line indicates cutting, and a dotted line, like this one here, indicates stitching. And you're going to do this in string piecing, or a variation of. We don't want to do one and then cut the thread and then do the next one, because we want to get done in this century. So we're going to drop our stitch length down just a little bit. And if you've got a heavier needle, like a number 90, and I hope you're using Schmidt's needles because they're better quality, then you'll want to use just a little bit heavier needle. That helps to perforate the paper so that when we tear it away, it doesn't give us any grief. So now I'm going to stitch right on this line, and if you get off a little bit like I was there, that's okay. You can be off a little tiny bit and it won't hurt anything. And then I'm going to stitch off that thangle and right on to a next one. And I've already stitched a few of these in the interest of time. But you would probably be doing 20 or 30 or 100 of these all at one time. And then I'm going to just stitch right on to the next one. And it doesn't take very long until you've stitched all of these lines, these dotted lines, and do them all at the same time so that you can do this quickly. You can actually do hundreds and hundreds of these in a very short period of time. So now I've stitched all of these, and I can remove my pins, and we just put one in between each one. By the way, there's excellent instructions in the Thangles packages. So if you're not getting all of this quite now, that's okay. Then in our next segment, we'll be trimming this away and cutting these apart and pressing them, and then we can configure them into anything we want. About 80 to 85% of all piecing is half square triangles, so this is well worth learning.